Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella. Today is our watercolor tutorial, food illustration, episode number 10. We will paint kiwi together. Let's get started. This is the color and the materials I'm using for this tutorial. Please check out my description box. Everything will be listed there. So our first step is sketch. And then we will move on to step 2, the first wash. Before I apply the colors, I already added on one sheer layer of water. So the techniques I'm using here is wet on wet. By using wet on wet, the edge is not that sharp, so the color will gradually melt between each other. The third step is second wash. In this step, we will add a little bit more darker color on the outside of the kiwi. And step 4 is to add on texture. So I'm using a clean damped brush to lift up some colors from the green, and it looks like the white lines in the middle. And later on, between the lines, I'm adding a little bit sap green mixed with olive green to indicate the inner part, the texture part of the kiwi. Then we will move on to step 5, which is adding on more details, which are the seeds and the skin of the kiwi. The seeds has 2 layers. One layer is a little bit underneath the surface of the kiwi, and another one is on top of it. So it has some of them blur, some of them with more even, clean and sharp edge. And of course the skin has some little feather on it. Here we go. During the last step, I added some gouache mixing with yellowish green to indicate some even more thinner line between the big, thicker line, so a little bit more detail. But overall, this kiwi painting is very loose, and it's a perfect painting for relaxing and have some fun. If you like my video, please click that like button, and please subscribe my channel if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching, and from next week we will start another 10 episode of watercolor floral tutorial. And thank you so much, and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.